Hey makeup lovers, welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we bring you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. To start off, let us know if you like the lighting in this video, because we did a new setup and I'm kind of feeling it. Also, I'm kind of needing to go to speech therapy classes. Today's makeup you might recognize from the previous video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. I'll leave a link below. And I did this pastel cut crease and I featured this highlighter moment, so go check it out. Anyway, let's get into what this video is about. So there is a little trend going around at the moment, and Wayne Goss is the father of it all, it seems, and he's got these little videos going at the moment where he has shown you his favorite highlighters, foundations, skincare, etc. for the year, and they're just quick little videos and he shows you the creme de la creme of the year. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's just get into it. So carrying on from that, today the highlighter that I'm wearing comes from the glow kit, the sugar glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I mixed Gumdrop with Starburst for this little pinky purpley moment. And then I added a little bit of marshmallow on top just to give it more of a white glow to it. This is definitely one of my favorite high-end highlighters. You get 4 highlighters and each highlighter has 0.26 ounces of product each. They are super pigmented, they just give you that extra shine. They're definitely not subtle but extremely wearable at the same time, and you can build them up, and I just love them, especially for an evening look, just to like emphasize that glow, you know. Next up, one of my favorite drugstore highlighters is the NYX Strobe of Genius palette. Once again, this can actually give you a similar look to what I have today because there are purple and pink highlighters in here. But my favorite are definitely more of these golden bronzy moments at the bottom. And in fact, I often mix this shade with the lavender shade together, and that gives you a very similar look to this. You get a lot of product, it's cheap, it's available. This is definitely a highlighter that I would recommend for the daytime, something also a little bit more subtle. And if you'd like to opt for this for the evening, just remember it's not as long wearing as a high-end highlighter, so pack it in your little bag and a little brush and just top it up as the evening goes. Next up, we have a highlighter from Mina, and it is in the shade 200, and it is a nice peachy rose gold shade, super subtle. It reminds me a little bit of the Switch Beauty Bubble Blush shades, and definitely nice for summer and spring for a daytime subtle glow for a no makeup look. Next up, one of my newest additions to my highlighter collection, and definitely becoming one of my favorite highlighters, is the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. And this is just a classic gold highlighter. I live for gold highlighters, and it is super reflecting, very pigmented. You can build it up for the evening or sheer it down for daytime. And Ofra always has sales. I got mine on Beauty Bay for like a 50% off sale for Black Friday. Definitely check out Ofra South Africa's website. They often have sales on these guys, and go and get yourself one. And they have mad sales, like I'm talking like 50% off. And you're definitely going to want to invest in one of these bad boys. It's slowly becoming one of my favorites. Okay, I'm going to end off with one of the OG highlighters. This is the Mary Luminizer, and this will always be one of my favorite highlighters. No matter how old it gets, no matter how many new products comes in, this is always going to be in my makeup bag, in my travel bag. I love it so much. As you can see here, it is used and it is loved. It is awesome for pale girls. It is awesome for pale girls. You can build it up, and it's long lasting. It's not crunchy. It just blends into the skin super nice. It sits on you really nice, and whenever I wear this, I always get compliments on it. If you like this little highlighter review video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave some comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.